Hey, it's Desi. Thanks for stopping by. It's time for a lot of celebrations, graduations, weddings, showers, Mother's Day, Father's Day, and cookouts. I have a great budget-friendly macaroni salad to share with you. Let me show you how I make it. Cook your favorite macaroni per package directions. Add a can of super sweet corn, a can of olives, a can of chickpeas, a couple of slivers of onion, and half of a red pepper, and shredded carrot, one or two, depending on your liking. This is very versatile, so you could use whatever is your favorite veggies in here. I'm adding a third of a bottle of spicy ranch dressing. If you like more of a kick, add more. I'm adding 4 tablespoons of mayo and mix to combine. Taste it and adjust. I'm adding some salt and pepper to taste. This is a wonderful recipe, and special thanks to my Aunt Dori for sharing it. Use a big bowl because it makes a lot. Make it extra special by adding your favorite shredded cheese. Look how great that looks on a flat platter. Wonderful for your next party. I forgot to mention this tastes great warm too. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, subscribe, and share. Take care till next time. Happy summer.